I am making 3 ingredient, 3 Musketeers candies, or some people call this Cool Whip candy also. So we're gonna take 2 packages, 11 ounces each. Oops, I got just a little bit extra there. That one was 12. Hold on, I'm gonna put just a few back. Okay, there. And we're going to microwave this until it is melted. Now what you're gonna do is, the first time I do about 45 seconds to a minute, but you have to stir every 30 seconds to release the heat that's down at the bottom so your chocolate chips on the bottom don't burn, okay? All right, we're gonna stir. Okay, now you just do this for about 2.5 minutes until you get all your chocolate chips melted. Now we're gonna let this cool, so it's 17 degrees right now. This is the best invention ever. I use this thing almost every day. It is, I'll link it in the description below, but I love that laser thermometer. Okay, now we're gonna bring this to room temperature or close to it, so about 80 degrees, let it cool down to about 80 degrees. And I just stir it every 5 minutes or so while it's cooling off. It was brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. My chocolate has cooled to room temperature. If you don't have a digital thermometer, this is about the thickness you want it, okay? Now we're gonna line our baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay. If you don't have parchment paper, just very thoroughly grease your pan. All right, now we're gonna take a jar of Cool Whip a container of Cool Whip. Don't forget to save all your Cool Whip containers for Christmas and Thanksgiving leftovers. Then I'm going to pour in our chocolate. Okay, now, once it gets this hard, it's kind of hard to get, or once it gets this cool, it's kind of hard to get the rest out, but you can just scrape it as best as you can. All right, now.
I'll get the rest out later.
You'll get the rest out later. You're pre doing the dishes cleanup?
Right.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, then you're just gonna gently fold. Now it'll start getting stiff on you, don't worry. Just keep stirring. Now you don't want to just diddle around doing this, but you don't need to, freak out either that it's gonna be too much, because it'll be okay. But I mean, just don't, it'll start hardening up and you don't want to just, wait too long. Okay, and then I'm using my spatula to get the rest. Now spread it all over your pan so you don't have to move your candy as far. It'll be easier to spread it. Okay, we got there. Get my scraper.
Smells delish.
It does, doesn't it? All right, guys, don't be so stingy that you don't leave your kids some treats. Actually, that's one thing about scraping out the bowl. Yes, scrape it out, but kids like to come home from school and see that mom was baking, and they like to lick out the bowls. Let your kids lick out the bowls, right, dear?
Yep. And your husband.
Especially if he does the dishes for you. Okay, now this is gonna be as stiff, so just push it around as best as you can. I'm gonna try another idea to get this smoother. Now, you don't have to have a glove. I just do that because I don't want to dig the stuff out of my fingernails. But there, yeah, that works a little bit easier. So just either spray your hands, or if you want a glove, you can. Put this in the freezer and let it freeze for 30 minutes. Okay, here is our center. Okay, so I'm going to reuse my parchment paper here. Put it on my tray. Oops. Okay, don't leave it more than the 30 minutes recommended, or 20 minutes recommended, I guess, because then it gets too hard. Dip these. And we just dip all of these in the chocolate. And it's supposed to taste like a Three Musketeer. I don't know, do you think it'll taste like a Three Musketeer, dear?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out. If it does, I will be happy.
Yes, you love Three Musketeers, don't you?
Yes, I do.
We are going to dominate the No Bake Christmas Candies market this year. Right, dear?
Yep.
I'm telling ya, I am the Christmas candy queen. We are the Christmas candy channel.
Thank you for not saying I'm a queen.
Thank you for not being a queen. I appreciate that, dear. Thank you very much. Don't need any surprise announcements in the middle of the night. I think I'm now up to 10 Christmas candy videos that are coming out this Christmas. Be sure to watch them all. Okay, now I'm going to leave all these little broken bits for the boys to pick on, and we're going to go put this in the freezer. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's going to be good.
Yum. You got chocolate on your face.
Oh, do I?
I might have to come lick it off.
You want to smooch it off of me, dear?
Ooh.
Okay, there is our Cool Whip candy, Three Musketeers candy, whatever you want to call it.
It smells delicious.
Guess I need to get a name. Okay, take a bite.
Well, yeah.
Is it good?
It's really good. I'm trying to think in my mind, how much does it taste like a Three Musketeers? Oh man, it's really good. It's really, really good. Wow. Actually, the inside's like a Three Musketeers, but the outside is more better tasting chocolate.
There you go.
It's really, really good.
Okay. He says that one's probably number one.
Yeah, the one that, the Cool Whip candy is the one you call the Three Musketeers. Yeah. Oh, it's
That's
amazing.
your favorite,
It's
huh?
my most favorite, yeah.
Well, there you go.